Hello, if you're a beginner guitarist and you're looking to buy a guitar, or you're a person that's looking to buy a guitar for a beginner guitarist, but you're not sure what to buy, a beginner electric guitar versus an acoustic guitar, well, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to go over the pros and cons of an acoustic guitar and an electric, and that's coming up. If you're interested in any of the guitars or amps in this video, there's links in the description below. Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today we're going to see which one's better, and beginner electric guitar versus an acoustic guitar. A lot of people think an electric guitar is better to learn on, but I beg to differ. While it's true, you don't have to press down on the strings as much to get the amp to ring out and hear what you're playing. It's a lot easier on an acoustic guitar. You don't have to worry about lugging an amp around, setting the controls so it sounds good. All you got to worry about is learning how to play the guitar. And it just magically comes out of this sound hole every time. I've got the question of the day. In your opinion, which is easier to learn on, an acoustic guitar or an electric? Leave me a comment. I'd love to. Another con with the electric guitar is you have to spend money on buying an electric guitar, then you have to buy an amp. And when you're starting out, there's a lot to learn while you're learning the guitar. So now with an electric guitar, you've got to learn how to mute the strings so that they don't ring out, the controls on the guitar, so you'll be playing the proper pickups, and then on top of all that, you've got to learn the controls on the amp to make it sound good. And if you're going to a gig, you can just put your acoustic guitar in your gig bag and just carry it along. Whereas with your electric guitar, you've got the heavy electric guitar, then you've got a heavy amp to lug around with you. Hey, if you're getting any value out of this, can you click the like button and consider subscribing? Click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. An acoustic guitar, it's simple. You've got a sound hole and the body of the guitar. The vibration of the strings when you strum, the sound comes out of the sound hole. Doesn't get any easier than that. So all in all, I would recommend, if you're starting out to learn the guitar, buying an acoustic guitar, a beginner acoustic guitar. And if you want to learn more about that, click on the next video and learn what the best beginner guitar is.